Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Wednesday 23 of March, and I hope you're doing good out there. And the trading is still in play, and the market is still alive and kicking, and we're just in suspense mode right now. But there's a lot of things that is positive going on with so many altcoins. Bitcoin dominance is falling, DXY is in trouble, Bitcoin itself is about to make a bull cross. What a time to be alive in cryptocurrency once again, right? And if you guys want to learn how to trade, the course is here. You guys can take the technical analysis course and enjoy, or join us into the Discord if you're new to the channel. Okay, right now I'm on the monthly time frame here on the charts, and I've told you in so many videos that Bitcoin is in a decisive month basically. So March is a decisive month and an opportunity for you to know if you have to invest to take the ride to the upside, or if you're just going to invest to or maybe just not invest at all. So right now what I want to say is, I talked about this one in so many videos now recently, that this candlestick in the next 8 days is super important. Yesterday I mentioned it, and right now if you start to close like this, you're gonna put a hanging man, which is a negative candlestick. That means you're gonna dump to the downside unless you don't start to break the high here. Then the hanging man gets abandoned, invalidated, and then you push to the upside. But in the next 8 days, you still have the chance to actually break this resistance that you see right there. If you start to fail to break that resistance, and in the next month you start to come down here, then potentially you might have just put a big bear flag right there, and then you go down, and then this is going to be a technical target down to the 24k or the 20k. Potentially that's where you're going to be falling down. Yes, you're going to do that, but still, you know what, you have 8 more days for us to actually discuss that. So we're gonna wait. I'm here, the market is here, it's not running anywhere. But the reason why I have good chills and good vibes about Bitcoin once again right now is because we are doing something very, very, very bullish with Bitcoin right now, and that is the fact that you're looking to still go to maybe 48. But you can see, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually count the wick here, the body, sorry. Yeah, this is the body of that thing. So I'm gonna bring this one like that, and it seems like Bitcoin right now is surviving the retest, kind of surviving the retest today. So we broke out of things here, and then you came back, and now you're above that line, because previously if I consider the body here, then you're still like above the body, you're still above the resistance previously that now is acting like a support. Do you get my point here? So from there you become successful. You're looking to go to $48,000 maybe in the next 8 days. Now if you do go to $48,000, the monthly is going to look heavenly for us, because once you do that, then it only means that April is going to be huge for crypto. It means that you're going to see a green month. The whole April is about to get green, absolutely green, because from November all the way to March, it's been a lot of months that you haven't seen those green months anymore. So it does make sense that at least after those 5 to 6 months of red period, people are now exhausted, people are fearful, people are in doubt, people are uncertain right now. There's FUD along in the market, there's fear in the market, people don't want to buy, people are actually kind of hesitating that, oh no, if I start to buy right now, Bitcoin is going to dump again. And that is bullish in itself. Now the charts do suggest that we are getting bullish once again. We are trying to actually step up the game, we're trying to push up the game, and from there just go to the moon, man. Just go to the moon already. It's been a long time. I'm exhausted myself, but the thing is that once I do see that move to the upside in the next 8 days, that would be really, really, really awesome, really, really good for crypto as well. And it is on a journey, because what I just see here, honestly, let me actually dive into a much more clear chart, different chart right there. And what do you see right now, guys? On the daily, what do you see? What I see is a nice good double bottom, okay, and a nice good W structure. This is your first bottom, this is your second bottom, and all you're doing, guys, is you're breaking out of a double bottom, and you're breaking the neckline, which is going to be this neckline right there. And once you are above the neckline, what I'm going to tell you is that you take the top to the bottom right there, very simple double bottom trading, and this is where you're breaking out. That's your next technical target. Actually, I don't know why it's given me two different targets. All right, not 48k, but let's say 47k. It's still very close to one another. Yeah, so $47,000 is where you're looking to go logically. Not my own opinion, but just stating one bottom, second bottom, the W like this, boom, you want to go to the upside. And remember, you also have some sort of a bull flag right there, and the bull flag as well will take you to that technical target. So you take the top to the bottom. If you're going to break out of here, look where it takes you, again near that line there. I do want to see if you do have some Fibonacci settings over there. So let's take the top to the bottom right here, and yeah, it's almost near the 1.272, so it takes you nearly this price level up there. So everything is getting connected a little bit, you know. It's looking really good, and the altcoins are looking good. If I do actually bring one more indicator, which is going to be the 10 EMA, we are absolutely amazing with the 10 EMA. Let me just change the settings a little bit for the 10 here. It's going to be 10 right there, and the style it's going to be yellow, and the thickness, oops, yep, like that. Okay, now let's bring in the 20 and the 55. Whoa, look at the cross, guys. You never had this cross in a long time. So the 10 and the 55 already is making a cross right there. And one more thing I just noticed right now as I'm speaking, you've already put a morning star, guys. Look, this is a morning star that you've put in for Bitcoin, and that is what? It's a bullish candlestick. That means from here you're gonna go to the upside. So you want to put a big stop. If Bitcoin starts to come to 40,500, I think it's gonna start to go down. Okay, so you don't want to lose the bottom of the morning star basically, because once you put the morning star, this is where you put your stop loss. If it takes this stop loss, or potentially, let's give it a little bit of more breathing space. Okay, you start to take this stop loss. Okay, even though logically speaking you don't want to take this stop loss, but I'm just going to give it a little bit more room for the chance for trade, maybe for stop loss liquid hunting. There's something like stop loss hunting as well, which I do talk about in detail in the technical analysis trade. Now yeah, if you do come to 40,000, let's say you lose 40,000, you're bound to go a little bit more down and potentially back to 37k, and then maybe again go up there, because what you can do is you make one bottom, second bottom, you lose this level, come down, you make a triple bottom, and that still would be bullish for Bitcoin. So that's it for this update. If you guys have enjoyed it, kind of like the video, join the Discord, take the course if you want to learn even more, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.